Alright guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'll be breaking down how I made £3,000 trading in gold. Right, so the first thing I've done when I came onto the charts, I looked at my directional time frame, which is the 4H time frame in this scenario. And when I saw the structure of the market, I could see that price was pushing higher in this uptrend structure, so forming higher highs and higher lows. So these were the higher lows, and I could see that price had came back and held this level of support right over here. And so that was the first sign I could see that price could continue potentially pushing up and filling these imbalances over here. So once I identified that, I dropped down to the 30-minute time frame, and I could see. So this is when I entered. This is when I opened my chart at around 11:30 p.m. and I could see that we had this level of support, which could potentially get retested, because right now we're forming this impulsive movement, and I was looking for some sort of retest to take price back up. So another further confidence which I added to this trade was this Fibonacci. Obviously, we don't know if price will continue to push up higher, so this Fibonacci isn't really confirmed yet until we get some sort of retracement to see where price could go. So let's just keep this out for now and play price to see what happens. Okay. So as 30 minutes went on, we're not really getting much, and I was looking for this retracement here. So you can see, I let the market come to me, and so now if you place our fibs, we can see we take it from this low to this high, and this 50% retracement is getting respected with a further confluence of these moving averages. The moving averages used are the 20 and the 50 EMAs. So that was a further confluence. So already I have three confluences here. I've got the Fibonacci retracement, respecting this 50% level. I've got this support level, which is also getting respected, and the further moving averages crossing over and holding. So once I saw these three confluences, I then dropped down to the 5-minute for my entry time frame. So at this point, when I looked at the 5-minute, again, I look back and focus on structure, and you can see that we're forming this higher high and higher low formation until we get to this point over here, and we see this level break. Okay, once I saw this level break, this indicated to me that we could see some sort of liquidity grab, because you see how much volume it is in this candle. So looking back, I could see that here are levels of liquidity sitting all along here, and price just took out all of these levels of liquidity. Once I saw that it could be a potential liquidity grab, I waited further to see if we can get some sort of pushback up. So as I play price along, you can see that this level continues to get respected, and we're getting some sort of pushback up. So once we've got this huge impulsive push up and then some sort of retracement, that's when I got interested to look for entries. So this I wanted price to come back into this range with around a 30 pip stop. So let's look at where my entry was. My entry was at, and you would have seen in the screenshot in the beginning where exactly I entered. So I entered at 1801.32. So as you can see, this was my entry with around 30 pip stops, and my TP was at 1808.23. Again, this is all recorded and screenshotted for proof, as you would have seen in the beginning, which gave us a nice 1 to 2 restore order on this trade. So I'll wait for price. If price does come back to this level, I want to immediately enter. So let's play it on, and you can see immediately we got tagged into the trade, and we only suffered a bit of drawdown. So how many pips even is that? So we only suffered around 6 pips of drawdown on gold, which is not bad at all. And price immediately shot to our take profit, as you can see. Now I could have held that further to this 61.8 retracement. However, I was happy with my profits, and that's where I locked off. As you can see, it's extremely important to know when to move your stops to break even, when to hold, and when not to get emotionally driven. So I hope you guys like the breakdown, and I'll see you guys next time.